Yo guys, so I just reached the border. You can see this big gate here is the Nepali border, and I'm just crossing Nepal. And from here I will be entering the Indian border, guys. Finally, welcome to India. Yeah, welcome to India. No, I'm staying in Gorakhpur. I'm staying here only. I am local. Yeah. Yo guys, what's up everyone? Hope everyone is doing well. So today is gonna be a goodbye day to all the Nepalese, Nepal and Kathmandu guys. I really had a very nice time, guys. So today I'm leaving from Kathmandu, Gonga bus park to Sonali border, guys. I came by flight, but I'm leaving by border because I have a lot of luggage to carry, and I carry a lot of snack, guys, a lot of beautiful things from Nepal that I want also my African friends to try it out. So that's why I have to go by border, by bus, guys, and I will for sure I'll make the reaction video after trying, because I got things like noodles. Yeah, Nepal's there's famous in noodles. I got a lot of noodles, and I also got what I got, like 2 p.m. noodles and a snack, guys. When I reach I will show you guys. This is my bus. It's a 2-seater bus, but you can see how comfortable is the seat, guys. It look really beautiful, and now I'm sitting on it. Like, I feel so good, like it's so comfortable, and it's just worth the price. Amazing. I didn't expect it to be that. I book online, guys, because I don't want to go a lot through stress, because I don't have experience, and I can't manage here because of a scam. To avoid a scam, just do things online. This bus is 1200, guys, 1200 Nepalese rupees. I book from Nepali app only, guys. It's worth the price and amazing. I don't know how much it will take to reach Sonali border, but they said minimum maybe 10 to 12 or 13 hours, guys. I don't know, maybe when I get down, guys, I will tell you guys. So far I'm the first person who got into the bus, because I was so worried to miss the bus, guys. I came so early, and the bus is still didn't yet even parked, and they did not yet on the AC, because still like they did not park the bus. But because of my worries to miss the bus, guys, and you know, I came, you don't know how I got to catch the bus. It was just through the name, like I was following the name of the bus, and by asking the local people. Just make sure whenever you're traveling, make it earlier, guys, 1 hour 2 hours before, so that you don't really have so much of tense and pressure, guys. So far so good, guys, and I will see you in the morning. It's around 8, guys. I took the last late bus because I want to reach late also in India. I'm not rushing, guys, so I'll see you in the morning, and we will continue the vlog, guys. I love you all, Nepalese people. I enjoyed your festival, the Biska Jatra festival, and the Newari festival is really amazing, guys. I just love everything so far, so good. So the bus just got packed, guys. So love you. See you in the morning. Nepal Sundar Santa Desho. Oh. That's the last selfie in the bus. Yo guys, so I just reached the border. You can see this big gate here is the Nepali border, and I'm just crossing Nepal, and from here I will be entering the Indian border, guys. Yeah, I don't know, I started the journey from 8:30 yesterday night, and I reached like almost say 10, like almost 9:30, guys. So I will be leaving Nepal. Goodbye Nepal, guys, and welcome to India. I can see they are constructing one gate here in the border here, but I think it's like for Nepal, because that side is India. You can see the Indian flag. You can see the Indian flag. It's little bit crowded here, and I'm just going. I'm heading to catch my bus, guys. And welcome to India. You know, the hottest Indian environment, guys. Yeah, welcome to India, man. Yeah. Oh, no video? Yeah, they're asking me to come for check. Yeah. I think there is some process to be done this side. They are calling me to come and do it. I don't know what's happening here. Yo guys, now I'm leaving Nepal and they said I have to come to Nepal Immigration Office to take a stamp, which is here. After getting a stamp from here, then I need to go to the Indian Immigration Office, I think so. Yeah. Yes. Okay, thank you, sir. They said I have to come. Now I'm back to Nepal to get the stamp from the Nepal Immigration Office. And the good thing is just all close by, it's all nearby, guys. So I need to get the exit stamp. Then I will get the entry stamp from India, guys. Yeah, this is the immigration office. Guarantee office. Yeah, welcome back to Nepal office. Hi. Hello guys. Yeah, so I am in Gorakhpur and I met this amazing friend. Your name?
Ravi Singh.
Ravi Singh. Ravi Singh is my friend from Gorakhpur. I met him and he bought for me lassi, guys. So friendly. I don't know him much. I was just walking around and he called me. He told me that he knows some Sudanese people from Sodia. Your friend?
Friend.
Dosto, Sodia or?
Sodia dost.
Sodia Dosta.
Sodia.
Okay. He also speak Arabic. Thoda malum.
Thoda malum.
Okay. So I met him here. He was so friendly, guys. Akil mean Kana. Yeah, he knows a little bit of Arabic, guys. He was so friendly. I was just walking around here because I have so much time to wait for my train. And he was just talking to me. He bought me lassi, so friendly. And I'm now spending time with him here. He will go after 30 minutes, guys. Yeah. So regarding the Nepal trip, guys, it was really amazing. And I have few things to share with you. Like for people, okay, done. Enjoy. So, like, in case if you want to go by border, guys, like from Gorakhpur, you have to come to Gorakhpur, and from Gorakhpur you have to take so many buses are available. You can get even taxi to Sonauli border. From Sonauli border, guys, you have to do some of your for foreigners. Yeah, for foreigners you have to do the stamp for the immigration office. The good thing, they are all nearby. The Indian and Nepal immigration office, guys, they are all nearby. So you don't need to worry about that. You can just do the stamp and all the process. They are all nearby. You just have to know that your passport should be 6 months before expiry, guys. Then you are eligible to get the visa to Nepal. And also, like for me, at first I was a little bit worried to go by border because I don't have that much experience. So I went by flight from Delhi to Kathmandu by flight. But I returned by border, guys. I returned through border. So from border, I came from Kathmandu to Sonauli border. I booked one bus there. It was direct bus. And from there also you have to do the exit stamp from the Nepal and India immigration, which is all linked by nearby. So you don't need to worry in case you're planning to visit Nepal. It is not a big problem, guys. So far so good. I enjoyed all my experience and travel, guys. And yeah, we are back again to train, guys. So I have my train here. We are in Gorakhpur. We'll be waiting for the train. Straight. We'll be waiting for the train, guys. So that is it. See you all. Raj Singh. Say bye.